Last Halloween, a haunted carnival came to town. The signs were all taped up and the rides were broken down. Dracula running the bumper cars. Werewolf dressed like a clown. Frankenstein running the Ferris wheel. Mummy was running the games all around. At the haunted carnival that came around this time last year, people came to the carnival. They had no idea the kind of fear they would have if they stepped up to the haunted house that was in the back of the carnival. So they walked right up there and they found out it was a lounge for all the freaks